Hello guys, today I bring you an unboxing video. It's the DJI OSMO Pocket 3. Now I know this is not the usual content I do for my channel, but I thought you may enjoy it anyway. So without further ado, here goes the unboxing. Guys, I thought that this was another filter, but it's not. It's the place to store it. Okay guys, so that was the unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!